Chicason Group is a homegrown and technology-driven conglomerate with vibrant member companies and affiliated businesses that epitomize the African enterprise spirit with diverse interests in oil and gas trading, oil and gas exploration, manufacturing, mining, real estate, project management, agriculture, travel and tourism, healthcare, construction, and so on. Founded in 1981, Chicason Group has over the past 41 years built its reputation on the foundation of integrity, commitment, teamwork, and providing great value through great people culture. The group has throughout the years grown into a strong player in its markets and has continued to demonstrate exceptional performance through excellent products and service delivery to their clientele and forming strategic trade relationships with highly reputable companies across the globe. Today, the group engages in a broad range of business activities, not only to leverage on the unprecedented opportunities in Africa, but to pursue their strong belief that they have a responsibility to make lives better for their clients by providing the best customer-focused services in all they do. Chicason Group has an effective corporate governance. The group is headed by founder, Group Executive Chairman, Dr Alex Chika Okafor. He is the principal shareholder and maintains a hands-on approach, driving the group forward. The brands under Chicason Group include AZ Petroleum Products Limited, Rock of Ages Properties PLC, Rimco Mining, Carson Travels Limited, Rimco Nigeria Limited, Afro Asia Automobile and Plastics, Promotex Nigeria Limited, etc. At the location of their factory in the industrial city of Nnewi, Chicason Group occupies a whole mini industrial estate, and that is the only private industrial estate in Nigeria. The workforce of Chicason's company in Nnewi is around 7,000 employees across the whole shifts in the company. Chicason Group has been said to be the biggest employer of labor in Anambra State after Anambra State government, the biggest conglomerate in southeastern Nigeria, and one of the biggest indigenous conglomerates in Nigeria. Whenever there is a change of shift, it is always as if market has closed, as employees ending their shift will be trooping out en masse, and those resuming the new shift will be trooping in en masse at the same time. That shows the volume of employees that work with Chicason Group. you.